When we're working on air conditioning systems for Mercedes vehicles, such as this Vito here, there's quite a few things we need to check. Generally, we start with an air conditioning service. During the service, we'll do basics such as checking the cabin air filter, making sure it's not full of bugs and dirt. If it is blocked, it will restrict airflow through your cabin vents. Secondly, we'll check if there's any gas leaks in the system. So the air conditioning system relies on high pressure refrigerant gas circulating through the system to provide cooling into the cabin. If there isn't enough gas in there, the system won't work, and if there's a leak, it needs to be fixed. If there are leaks, there's quite a few common areas that we will see leaks from. It can be as simple as the fill ports on the AC system. It can be something like the condenser unit, which is the aircon radiator sitting behind here. It can be the compressor itself, or it can also be the evaporator, which is located generally underneath the dashboard. One of the common air conditioning fault symptoms that our customers explain to us is they hop in their vehicle and their air conditioning works, but only after a certain while. It might take minutes or a short drive until they feel that cold air blowing through the vents. That's often air conditioning compressor failure. If your air conditioning system is operating correctly, you should be able to start up the vehicle, hit the aircon button, and feel icy cold air within a few seconds. If there's any delay from that, it's a good reason to have the system checked out. Some people think that air conditioning is only required in summer. Yes, it's certainly required in summer, but it's also very important in winter. You see, on those cold winter's mornings, when you've got condensation on the inside of your windscreen, air conditioning is really important to remove that humidity from inside your cabin. To keep your air conditioning system working year round, give us a call. We can check the performance of your system and if required, do an air conditioning service.